just make sure that they get a top 4 finish and home court advantage in the playoffs. Martinez has for Sylvain Francisco, and believe me, that's reciprocated. We are underway at the Roche Arena. Branco Badillo with the layoff. Sacco will lay it off again. Thompson will turn and spin. Let's see if they can get a couple of stops here. Zalgiris, not like that, they won't. Badillo to Sacco. See you later. Thompson. Whoa! Get out of here. Get out of here. EuroLeague assist leader. 3 seasons ago, when it was up north in Baskonia, wants another, gets another. Oh my goodness, Darius Thompson. Bukevicius finds Gia, drives this. Bukevicius in the corner. Costello says you're not having a shot from there. Here's Wright. Rivas on him, low post. Wright spins away, gets in front, knocked down on the backside by Costello. Left 3 of them standing. Moore wants another one. That's the highlight, real dunk. Bellis has been in good form, but that was a poor pass and a freebie for Braxton Key. Perfectly defended by Sacco, but Wright doing enough to get it to go. Taylor with a beautiful bounce pass. Oh my goodness, what a pass that was. Lowe trying to get it off him. Taylor keeps it. Taylor still has it. Taylor has the double team, then feeds Rivas inside, and there's another foul. It's on Ulanovas this time. I tell you, they are drawing some fouls tonight. Valencia on the interior. So can Valencia tack something on here? Pradilla kicks it all the way down the baseline, where brilliantly delivered by Branco Badillo. And Moore will come in. Nice feed. Rivas slams it down. Really well worked again for Valencia. Into the corner it goes. Puerto. He'll get it to go as well. And every Valencia player now on the score sheet. Zalgiris to pull us close to a single possession. A chance to open up a double-digit lead here. There's a beautiful bounce pass, and Neil Sacco slams it down. Sacco's doing really good stuff here in this 4th quarter. Pradilla can't get a shot away. It'll come in though, this one, and it'll drop. Wow, Branco Badillo out of nowhere pulls out a triple that might just be a dagger. They lead by 6. Moore. Still more, still more, still more. And he finally misses one, but look who's there to clean up.